welcome to today's episode. Today I'm going to teach you how to replace your alternator in your 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. This van is pain in the butt. I couldn't find any videos online on how to do this, so I want to share with you guys because that's what I do. I share my knowledge. So here's what we got. All right, so it's a 2017 Pacifica, and that thing's a piece of work because you have to put a lot of work to get that out. So what I did, it's usually located right between the valve cover and the AC compressor. So that's pretty much, you got to remove your water outlet from the radiator, water hose. You have to remove underneath the whole panel just so you can get the catch the coolant, or else you're gonna have it all over your panel. You're gonna think you're gonna have a leak. Also, take your belt off, and then it has this bracket that goes across here. Also disconnect your battery, of course. That's the first step. But yeah, put it back on and show you how it looks when it's back on. Okay, so I left this bolt on right here, this one. I left that on there so you can slide this piece right here that I'm pointing at. That piece has like a U, like a key, to just slide it on there, and then it'll be easier to put these other two bolts on there. All right, once you put them two bolts on, 1, 2, just snug them, because then you got to tighten up the bottom one too. And also you got to put all your hoses back on, which I'm gonna do now. It's got a clip right here, so you just pop that out. Pop it out like that, and all you gotta do, slide it in. Once it's in, click it down and jank on it to see if it pops out. It shouldn't pop out because if it goes in right, it doesn't pop out. So that's in right all the way. Now I'm gonna connect the connector down there, both connectors, the wire that goes to the alternator to charge the battery, and then the connector down there. Just a pain in the butt. This fitting down here, where the nut goes into, this plastic piece that I'm touching right here, this round thing, I'm gonna show you on the other one. And this one, it pops off. So this is the one from the old one, or from the new one that I got. It doesn't fit these holes, they're too small. So it pops right off. You just gotta switch the one from the one you take off the car, and it pops right out. So it just slides back in like this. It's one way. So you pop it back in there and it clips in. So that's what I unclipped from that one, and I put it on this one, so I was able to clip it on there. If not, you can't get that the little teeth to come in with the terminal. You can't put them in. So tip of the day, put the belt on. I actually gotta snug these first. Snug these two, and then tighten up the bottom, then put the belt on. Once that's on, make sure you put that dust cover protectant on. Tying down your two bolts up here and the one at the bottom, and put your belt on. Okay, so to get to that bottom bolt, you just under here. Of course, you gotta take all this off, this fender liner and stuff, and then you gotta take all that down. You see, you guys still got some coolant down there. That's what I'll tell you, to take that off. Clean all that off in a little bit. But yeah, that's how you get to that bolt. Put everything in this bracket. It goes here. All the hoses, alternator, the belt, and all your connectors. Don't forget to connect this cam sensor here, because you got to take it off to get the alternator off. I forgot to tell you that. So you got to take that off. So And then just make sure you put everything back on, clean everything up. That's it. These alternators are fun. Make sure you have a couple beers. I don't drink, but you guys can drink and have a couple beers while you do this. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. Thank you. Have a good one. Peace.